Hi guys, in our last tutorial I showed you how to install ClipBucket using GitHub. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna open our ClipBucket the instance that we created last time, and we're gonna change the templates that we had. All right, so let's get started with very left right. So it was the instance that we installed. We still have the hello world from our previous video, so I'm going to show you how the template area or template manager looks like from the back end. So if you go to the admin area, and here you will be able to see this template and styles manager. So it's not displayed, but it's the template manager. So here you'll see that how many templates that we have. So this one is actually active, and these two are available, but we won't use it. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this template and we're going to create our new template from here. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I'm going to open the project here, and then we're just going to copy this folder and I'm going to paste it here. Now we have the duplicate. I'm going to call it CB 2021. It's funny that it's been like 4 years for the new template. So and I'm going to change the name from here, template.xml, and let's call it ClipBucket 2021 tutorials. Alright, so now we have another template available. I'm going to activate this. Now the template is active. I'm going to change some few things here. So how the things are changing, I'm going to show you in real by refreshing the template. Okay. So here we have the things that we will be changing. And go back to the template, as I have mentioned in the documentation, that you can see where you can access these files and what you can change. So I'm going to change the things in the hello world. Okay, we're going to show two different messages for the users, one for the login, one for the guest. So I'm going to create if user ID, which means user is logged in, hello username, else guest, please log in. That's it. So it's a smart templating engine. It's very easy, it's very nice, and it's very clean. Yeah, as you can see, the text, everything is very simple. So if we go here, refresh, it says hello admin, but if I go to the incognito, it says hello guest, please log in, and the spelling is wrong. I'm really sorry. I'm just trying to be as fast as we can. Okay, so you can change everything in this folder, and with it reflected, you can see the CSS files. It's actually loading from here. Now everything is changed, so it's that plain simple, and you can do any kind of stuff that you like. So this is the basic new template creation and editing, very basic. You have like more files here if you want to change something for the watch video page, for the list page, everything. You can just simply link it to the URLs that you see up here. Very easy. And you can even change these URLs to SEO from the back end. That's totally your choice, but that's how easy it is. Right? I hope you've understood the basic understanding of how to change and create a template in ClipBucket. Let me know if you have any questions.